Good morning! Me again. Let's see if my eyes are clean. So, another snow video. Winter Wonderland. Look at the stairs. Can you see properly? Inches of snow. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Doing another driving video for you. And for me, of course. People, let us try to get to work this morning. Outside. You hearing that? Yeah. Let us try to get to work. I'm going to try to hold on. I'm going to try. Yep. Wow, wet. This is the car. Alright. Let us try to get to work in this snowstorm. Okay? Let's try. Okay, my lovely people. So yes, as I said before, I'll be doing another driving video for you. This was March 8th, and so I have another video on my channel here, maybe 2 videos before this one, where I was showing you another snow day, March 6th. So yeah, all right, so let's get on the road and let's go to work. Yes, I am an English teacher in Japan, and I decided to take you along with me on the journey to work while we watch the snowstorm. So as you may have realized, I live pretty close to work, 5 minutes drive, which is, I absolutely love that. So heading to work, and I'm almost there, almost at the school now, but taking this beautiful drive, especially when it's snowing, it's breathtaking. I'm totally gobsmacked when I watch these videos, or when I have to just drive and to just take in the scenery and everything about this beautiful place when it snows. Yeah, it's something about the snow. Even when it's cold, you just got to enjoy all the beauty that it brings. And of course, I am living in the moment of just taking the pictures and videos so I can have them for future reference. So please enjoy with me. Okay, yeah, so we drove for 5 minutes and I got to school, and then this was outside around the back of the school to show you the playing field where that's a tennis court, and then you have the soccer field. Yeah, it's all covered in snow, blanketed by snow, and it was absolutely beautiful to see. Do you see that? Do you see that heart? Yes, please comment a heart if you see it. So yeah, this is just to show you what school is like. And just like that, this is me coming home from work now in the afternoon. You would not think that we had a snowstorm this morning, but yeah, we absolutely did. And this is me heading home. Again, it's still a beautiful to see, and even with the sun coming out at this time of the evening, absolutely amazing. And of course, it's a driving video, as I said before, so I'm just taking you along with me. So after work, most days I just head home, but today I had to rush to the car company to have them check out something on my car, and this is me driving up there. It's a little town that I live in, and so everything is pretty close by. So of course, I decided to take you along with me. After that, this is me now heading towards the other town over, which is like to the northern side. So that town, I had to go there to go to the 100 yen shop, um, Daiso. I have a video on my channel about Daiso, you can check that out. But in America, it's like, what do you call it? Dollar store, something like that in Japan. So I was heading there. I have none in my town, so I had to head over to that town, and this is the view heading towards the Daiso. This area, which is, even though it's just like, as I said before, it's right beside my town, it normally gets even a lot more snow than we do. But yeah, this is the drive towards the Daiso, and this is basically what the video is all about, showing you the beauty that the snow brings when it falls, and it falls in this capacity. often say, for someone who comes from a tropical country, Jamaica, and I'm now living in Japan where I experience snow, I am awe. I'm in awe every single time that it snows, and I have to take videos and pictures because it's not something that I'm used to, and I never get used to it, even after living in Japan for 4 years. So I hope you enjoyed this little driving video after showing you around a little bit in my town, a little bit in the town across from mine, and it's just to show you what it's like when it snows. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Please share with someone if they just need to calm their spirit, calm their mood. It's just a little video for upliftment, and I absolutely enjoyed making it and sharing it so you can enjoy also. Please leave a comment below. I appreciate it.